So here I am creating a React app which will use the Chat GPT program. So let's see how Chat GPT works in React code and how efficient we will get a code in the React form. So here I'm setting up a basic code structure and React program. Now let's open the Chat GPT and let's write a simple program which we have in my mind. So create a React code that shows images of 5 cute dogs. Okay. So as you can see, the Chat GPT is writing our whole code which we want. Okay. So actually it created a component which is containing 5 images and also a app.js file. So let's open our React program and start the server so that we can test the how efficient is the code and how it will work. So let's start the server. So basically we will need to copy a component and a app.js file. This is our component. Let's make a new component, new file. Oh, its name, let's make it a cute dogs. Okay, let's make it a new component, cute dogs. And this is our component. Now we will need to change index file. So this is our app.js file which is importing the component which we made. So this is the result which we are getting, but why these pictures are not proper? Let me check. So let's write another code which is taking URL from the Google or web. So let's write some different statement, maybe that work. So again the Google is generating a same kind of component. Okay. I think Chat GPT is very clever and he knows the copyright issues of the images. So you can read that the image URLs in this example are not actually are real images. These are just sample images. Okay. So in that case, let's try some different queries. Maybe that will work. Like importing images from Google Photos. This is impressive. I think this is kinda different thing because generally if you will check then the photos are protected and copyrighted, so it's not good idea to take direct photos from web. So Chat GPT knows that thing and is properly following the rules and guidelines. This is cool thing. So I'm trying a last one more time. If we can get any URL from Google, let's see what happened this time. So it's taking photos from a Google URL, but I don't think that pictures will work. Let's check it out. I'm opening a one URL. You see that it will not working. So let's try a custom image. We will take a separate URL and let's see how it whether it works or not. Okay, now it's the pictures are appearing here. Okay. Let's take a one more image. Let's replace it. Okay, so you can see that the page is working, component is okay, the HTML file is okay. Chat GPT just given us the sample images, not the real images, because of the copyright issues and other reasons. So let's see that whether it can add a header for that particular page or not. So I'm trying to add a header title to it. Let's see what happens. What are the results? Okay, so you can see that the chat GPT added the h1 header to our existing component. So we will just copy it and add it to our code. So you can see, wow, this is also very good. Now let's try that changing the background image of the header and see what chat GPT will do. Let's try some different queries. So this time we will type create a react code that should give us the images but with header with a background yellow color. So I am just specifying more properties to this tool. So let's see what happens. Let's also add a height of 200 pixel. So let's see whether chat GPT will be able to solve this or not. Oh, so you can see that it added the separate code for our specific requirement. So we will just copy it, add it here, and closing the div section. Now you can see, wow, the background is added to the file. So this is a very good, I think, the chat GPT, because it is in initial stage, then the things are working fine, but I think more advanced features are yet to come in this tool. So I will try more experiments and things for the code. So guys, let's